In this video, I will show you how to restore an earlier version of Google Docs. Dati, marami tayong files para sa isang document that we're working on. And we have file names like draft, final draft, promise, this is the final draft 1, final draft 3, super final draft. That's a thing of the past with a Google Docs feature called version history, where we can revert to an earlier version of our file. On your computer, go to Google Docs and open a document. At the top, click File. Hover over Version History and click See Version History. In the right panel, choose an earlier version by clicking on it. Then, click the Restore this version button on the upper left. Google will ask to confirm that you want to revert the version of the document you selected. If you're sure, click Restore. If you want to make a copy and edit an earlier version of the file and still keep the one you are currently working on, click on File, hover over Version History, click See Version History. In the right panel, hover to the version you want to copy and click the three dots. Select Make a Copy. Enter a name for your copy. Choose where to save it by clicking the folder. Then, if you want to share it with the same people, check the checkbox. Click OK. Now, you have a separate document from that specific version. If you have any questions about this video, please leave a comment below.